of the game is consistency. That is the #1 ingredient in any equation, in any recipe for getting to where it is you want to be, where it is you want to be, not to where you're quote unquote supposed to be. Your finish line and your success is relative to who you are. It does not look the same, and it shouldn't. So had you not quit, where would you be right now? What does consistency look like on your life? Do you keep going just when you're winning, just when you're feeling good, just when you're motivated and inspired? Are you motivated or are you dedicated? There's a difference. Or do you need to keep watching YouTube videos and listening to stuff like this to get you going again? Are you dedicated to what it is you're called to do? What does consistency look like on your life? And had you not quit, where would you be right now? They say hindsight is 20/20. Man, if I knew then what I know now. Well, guess what? You know now what you should know then. You know it right now. So what does